Hi everyone, I'm Pooja Kant Alfred from emofreetherapy.com, and I'm going to talk about one of my favorite topics today, which is emotions. We have this very strange relationship with emotions, don't we? We want to only feel positive emotions. We only want to feel joy and happiness and satisfaction and contentment and peace. And we don't want to feel the so called negative emotions or what I call the difficult emotions, the unpleasant emotions. We think that by numbing these unpleasant emotions, we can feel positive. But it doesn't work that way because if you numb your negative feelings, difficult feelings, you also numb your capacity to feel positive feelings, and that's what Brene Brown also talks about. So we have this relationship with emotions where we try to escape the emotions, we are afraid of emotions, we think the emotions are taking control of us, that we have no control over the emotions, that we need to feel helpless when these intense emotions arise. And we don't need to do all of these. We don't really need to escape from our emotions or feel out of control or feel that we cannot do anything when are emotional, when we experience emotions. Actually, we can do a lot. If you really learn how to work with emotions, you learn how to understand what they are, to take their message, because emotions carry messages. They're neurological programs that carry action requiring messages for us. And if we listen to these messages, okay, I'm angry because this and this happened. All right, let me acknowledge this anger, let me work with this, and then it goes away by itself, or we can also actively dissolve it. If we have this If we learn how to work in this way with feelings, with our emotions, if we learn how to work with our emotions rather than against them, and if we learn how to not act out on our emotions or suppress them, although sometimes you might need to do that, it's very context dependent, but most of the times we don't need to act out on our emotions. We don't need to suppress them. If you learn a new way to handle your emotions, then how would you feel? Think about it. If you were feeling angry or guilty or afraid, and you have this way where you have learned how to understand what they're trying to tell you, to acknowledge them, to label them, and to work with them with techniques that are simple and yet they're powerful enough to dissolve these feelings, these negative feelings, then how would you feel? Wouldn't you have a better relationship with yourself? Wouldn't your life be more productive? Wouldn't you feel that you could handle these emotions efficiently and more intelligently? And when you feel that you can do that, then wouldn't you feel more productive, more resourceful? There would be more of resilience. You would learn self-regulation skills and all of this. So just simply by knowing more about emotions, you can do so much better in your life. You can feel so much better, and the people around you are going to feel so much better because when they see you handling your emotions, acknowledging them, then they'll also learn to do that. And isn't that going to create more harmony in our families, in our lives? And that'll extend outwards, that'll extend to more people. So, keeping all this in mind, I've designed a webinar which is called Making Emotions Our Allies. And it's a 2.5 hour webinar. It's going to be on 6th of June. The details are on my website, which is www.emofreetherapy.com. And you can get the details there. You will actually, if you attend this webinar, you'll come to know about emotions, how to work with them, what are the messages they carry. We'll be talking specifically about the unpleasant feelings like anger, guilt, shame, jealousy, envy, fear, all that you try to avoid and escape from. We'll be learning how to work with these feelings because you will, and all of us are bound to experience these feelings in varying intensities, and we need to learn how to work with them rather than avoid them, push them away, because if you keep pushing them away, they are bound to come up in a much stronger form. So why don't you join me on 6th of June and learn more about emotions? And the second day, which is 7th of June, I'll be doing an interactive webinar with people who already know EFT. It will be for, if you already know EFT, then you can join this webinar on 7th June, which is a continuation of the first webinar, but only that it's for the people who already know about EFT. It's going to be about EFT for emotions, how to apply this technique called emotional freedom techniques, specifically for specific emotions. Now, in order to attend the day 2 webinar, which is on 7th, you need to attend the day 1 webinar. All right. But if you don't know EFT, just attending the webinar on 6th, Making Emotions Our Allies, is more than enough. So if you're interested, send me an email or register on my website.